After years of hunting in a range of budget boots in some very unforgiving alpine conditions, I decided it was time to upgrade. Losing footing and a few slips on a recent hunting trip made me take the plunge to spend the money on a piece of kit that could save me from serious injury or worse. That's where the Kuiu Scarpa R-Evolution boots came in. Kuiu teamed up with Scarpa to design a series of boots specifically for the ultralight hunters. Kuiu has a very solid reputation in the outdoors and hunting community for producing some of the best designed and manufactured hunting clothing and gear in the world. We have repeatedly been impressed with the design and performance of Kuiu gear on our trips where you depend on your gear to perform. Kuiu's use of high-end waterproof and breathable materials, as well as a lifetime guarantee on all products, have made them a leader in outdoor and hunting gear, and one of our favourite brands. Kuiu offer 3 different boots, with the major differences between them being the level of insulation, ankle support height, and the stiffness in the soles. For my use, I didn't need an insulated boot, as thick merino socks would keep my feet warm, and these weren't just for climbing mountains, so I opted for a more flexible sole of the R-Evolution K8 HD. Started in 1938 and based in Italy, Scarpa are passionate boot makers. Almost every outdoor store stocks Scarpa boots for good reason. The brand has a strong reputation for well-made and durable boots. The benefits of a synthetic boot, such as the range on offer from Kuiu, is that they dry faster and require less maintenance than an all-leather boot. On extended backcountry hunts, your boots will eventually get soaked and leather boots will stretch. All leather boots then dry and often shrink and can change the fit of the boots. The synthetic material used in the Kuiu boots means that the boots dry quicker and won't change the fit of the boot when dried. The HD, in the name of the boots on offer from Kuiu, come from the H-Dry technology, waterproofing. The boots are designed with a one-way waterproof membrane that has no seams or gaps for water to penetrate. With all the stream crossings, rain and wet ground our pair have been through, we haven't had any issues with water leaking in. Even though these boots are waterproof, we usually combine them with gaiters to stop any water coming into the boot, especially when crossing streams. Gaiters also help to keep rocks and other vegetation out of your boots. The durable construction of the boots means that they will last most users for a very long time, depending of course on how much use they get. As they are a lot more durable than the average trail boot, they will last a lot longer, and you won't find yourself having to replace those hiking shoes every year. The traction on the R-Evolution Ks was one of the most important features in choosing these boots. It's not unusual to lose your footing at some point when you're coming down a mountain after a long day of climbing up them. You want to give yourself as much of an advantage as you can, and the grip when wearing these boots feels like you're glued to the ground and have full control. The Vibram soles have a long-standing record in the outdoors world, and having boots with these proven soles gives you confidence that the boots will perform well. The R-Evolution is a semi-narrow fit that is flat-soled. Kuiu attribute the comfort achieved in their boots to the sock fit, which is a system that stops tongue folds within the boot and helps keep a consistent fit and feel. From spending a lot of time in the boots, I can say that they do provide a consistent fit, so maybe it's attributed to the sock fit design. Being high cut, the range of the boots gives great ankle support. Additionally, the lacing used on the boots is smooth, well designed, and has been simple to use. An additional consideration when purchasing these boots was the overall weight of the boots. With ultralight backcountry hunting being the primary use of the boots, Kuiu had to design boots with the weight-conscious user in mind. The synthetic material used in the boots makes them substantially lighter than traditional all-leather boots. For example, another pair of Scarpa boots, the SL Active leather boots, come in at 1.6 kilograms, whereas the Kuiu R-Evolution K8s are 1.3 kilograms. This advantage means burning less energy in each step of the hunt. The boots are sized with a traditional mountaineering fit. Kuiu recommends ordering a half size up, or if you are between sizes, go one full size, which we did, and they fit perfectly. I'm lucky I read that before purchasing, as I would have hated to post these back and have to wait for the next size to arrive. What's hard to believe about these boots is that there wasn't a breaking in period, which is usually normal for brand new boots. These felt great right out of the box. There wasn't even any rubbing or hot spots after the first 10k outing in the boots. Reading some reviews on Kuiu's website, it looks like a lot of other people have experienced the same thing, of little to no breaking in needed. In conclusion, Kuiu teamed up with Scarpa to produce one of the best designed boots in the market. These boots have performed exceptionally in alpine conditions and are truly made for harsh, cold and wet environments. I like the minimal wearing in period, the water resistance, and just how comfortable these boots consistently are. Consider these boots for hiking, backcountry hunting, and where ankle protection, grip, and keeping your feet dry are important. These are an expensive choice, but you're getting what you pay for with these boots, and they're worth the investment. Check out the description below for the latest price on the Scarpa R-Evolutions.